You're all like, I'm on it, I'm on it. Ready? Yep. Carl, not safe at his desk. Go back, my camera just gets like fucking all the blast from it.